Just make it work. So I've got this Alesis RA500 Amplifier, studio amp, and of course when it came into my life it was broken. The good news about these amps is that they're modular, so power supply's in the bottom there, and then obviously that's the left channel, that's the right channel. So the main issue with it was when you powered it up, it basically didn't come on, the relay didn't click over. So there's a soft start relay on the amps, that's to stop you getting a big kathunk when you power it up, a big kathunk through your speakers. So it's supposed to wait a few seconds for things to settle, and then the relay will click over and it'll come on. So that wasn't happening. So again, because it's modular, I was able to disconnect. See if I can show you this. There we go. I was able to disconnect the power supply to both amp sides and then see if it would still power up, because that would indicate that it was the actual power supply board that was at fault. If you take both amp channels off it, that lets you know that the fault's not with the amp channels. The fault would be with the power supply board. So I did that and it still wouldn't power on. The protect circuit was preventing it from powering up. The relay wasn't clicking over. So I checked all the capacitors, and these two big reservoir caps and I think a couple of others were totally goosed. So I changed those, and I also changed the relay itself, which you might be able to see in the bottom there. And so now when you fire her up, you'll see the protect lights come on, and then after a few seconds you'll hear the relay click, and then it'll be powered up, ready to rock. And we're off.
Just make it